Ever hit that restrict button by accident and now you can't chat with that one friend? Well, today we're going to fix that and get your conversations flowing again. Unrestricting someone in Facebook Messenger is super simple, and I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step, so you can reconnect with anyone you might have accidentally blocked from messaging you. First, open up your Facebook Messenger app from the main conversations list. You'll want to find the person you've restricted. You can either scroll through your chats or use the search bar at the top to type in their name. Once you found them, tap on their chat thread to open it now. Look for their name or profile picture at the very top of the screen. Tap on that to access their profile information. On this profile screen, you'll see a few different options. We're looking for the Unrestrict button. It might be nestled amongst other settings like mute or block. Go ahead and tap that Unrestrict button. Facebook will likely ask you to confirm that you want to unrestrict them. Just tap Unrestrict again to confirm your choice. And just like that, they're no longer restricted. Now they can send you messages, and you'll see them in your main chat list again without any issues. Isn't that easy? You can now message them, they can message you, and all those communication channels are open again. This is a great way to quickly fix a mistake and get back to connecting with your friends and acquaintances. Stay tuned for more helpful messenger tips.